Hi preps and ones, I'm going to show you some paper weaving that you're going to do at home this week for your visual arts lesson. It's Mrs. Flynn Clarke here, lovely to see you. So the first thing we're going to do is to get just an A4 piece of paper, and I've folded it in half. I'm going to then draw some lines on it. Hope you can see that. So what I did was got my ruler and I drew a line on the edge of the paper like that, and then I drew some even lines. I used the ruler to keep them even. Maybe an adult can help you with this. I hold the ruler still and I rule all the lines. I stop at the line I've already drawn, and I'll show you what happens then. So we end up with a whole lot of lines like that on our paper. Then I'm going to get my scissors and cut carefully on my line and stop when I get to that line that I drew. So cut, 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 cut. So this is going to be what we're going to weave in and out of. Don't forget to write your name and class on it. When I open it up, I've got a whole lot of lines ready to weave in and out of. Then I'm going to get some coloured paper. I'm just going to use 2 colours today. I'm going to make a pattern, and I've ruled some more lines just like we did. I'll show you. So I put the ruler down because I want them all about the same width. So can you see? I've drawn lots of lines on my paper. And now I'm going to cut them out. I've got 2 pieces of paper here, some orange and some purple. And I'm using orange and purple because they're opposite on the colour wheel. And they always look good together. Opposite colours love hanging out together. So I'm going to cut all those paper strips. And then these are my weavers that I'm going to weave into my framework here. So what we're going to do is go over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and then I'm going to push it up. Can you see that I've woven that in? Now I'm going to use a different colour, and I'm going to do it opposite. You might like to also put a little bit of glue under here to keep that up the top, and a little bit of glue under there to keep that up the top so it doesn't fall down. Now this one, the orange went over, so I'm going to do the opposite. Purple goes under, over, under, over, under, over. And can you see I'm starting to make a pattern? Can you see that? So what colour? I'm pushing it up. In weaving, that's called beating it up. I'm going to use orange now because remember I'm making a pattern, and I'm making sure that the purple went under. So now the orange goes over, over, under, over, under, push it up, beat it up. And can you see I'm weaving? So I'm going to keep going with my paper strips until I've filled all this up. So that's this week's activity. I hope you enjoy it and have a lovely week. Bye.